Shoes.
No, because they're wet. They're too wet.
That's okay. That way it doesn't hurt your feet when you ride. Okay?
It's not hurting.
You
See?
might.
What?
Okay, pedal.
I can't.
Gotta pedal. The other way. There you go.
Look, I'm doing it, Daddy.
Yeah.
Let's
Here,
get out.
You look up where you're going. Okay? Where you go? No, we're pedaling the wrong way. There you go.
Dad, don't bring me down the hill.
I'm not going down the hill. Keep pedaling.
But you...
Keep pedaling.
Hey.
Look up. Look up. You gotta look where you're going.
Daddy, you bring me
Look
around.
where you're going.
Dad, look, I'm doing it. I'm doing
You
it.
gotta look up. Look up where you're going.
Yeah!
Let's go.
Dad, let me do it.
Okay.
Let me do it, Mommy. No, it's going down the hill.
Oh, right into my car.
Mom,
Okay, ready?
Dad can't.
Come on, pedal. You gotta pedal. Pedal.
Yeah!
Keep pedaling.
Okay. I can't do it.
Oh no.
And can somebody help me?
Hold on.
Daddy, is there any way that you could do?
Ready?
Yeah. I'm going to fall.
Why not?
Dad, is there any way that
Let's go, Bray.
Dad, running the car. No, I won't go. Dad, let me do it.
Okay, pedal. Pedal. Go. Pedal.
Like I'm doing it already. Dad, messed up.
Missed it?
Yeah.